I do here?
You just take your foot and press down hard.
When you enter the production area, you have to put on some special shoes in order to protect the electronics from electrostatic discharge. And they have a conductive strip here. So you put it on your shoe and put the strip in contact with your skin. Because through this strip, the electrons can be conducted down into the floor and removed from your body. If you walk with normal rubber shoes, you collect electrons with rubber that builds up a charge in your body, and you can easily build up thousands of volts. And if that is discharged through a circuit, you will kill the circuit. So that's why you have conductive shoes, we have conductive floors, you have a conductive coat.
Let's get you in some proper clothes.
Like that?
Like this. It's for electrostatic discharge. Your body is electrocuted in a static way. And we want to get it down to your feet and actually out in the floor.
So you can experience this discharge yourself in the dry winter when charge easily builds up because there is no humidity in the air that can help to distribute electrons. And you take a door handle and then you can feel that shock in your fingertip. If that goes into the electronic circuit, then it will not work. So that's why we have this protection.